Hi everyone, my name is Ambrish from Ambrish Quick Patente. Now, people probably know me as somebody who helps people to pass the license, but let me introduce you myself really. My name is Ambrish and besides being a graduate in hotel business management, I am a linguist and a brain trainer and also motivational coach. So since past 10 years, I've been dedicating my life to help foreigners living in Italy to obtain their license. I know it's a big struggle because you can choose between the three languages, Italian, German or French, and I'm the only one who's teaching more than 50 nationalities to pass successfully their theory exams, which is the biggest obstacle for most of them to obtain their license. Now, I've understood that why is it that people do not even take a step? Most of the people don't even trust themselves because they think it's impossible to pass the exams without knowing Italian perfectly. But that is not true. And they think of the syllabus, it's very much too much to learn. There's a language barrier, lack of confidence, and of course, no proper guidance. They are not guided correctly. So most of the people also are afraid of failing, so they don't even want to try. So remember, a person who does not try has already failed to begin with. So in our classes, what do we do? Why do people come here? You can understand the concepts correctly. You'll understand the reason and you'll understand also how to use your own brain. So I'll trigger the mechanism to make sure that you're capable of understanding, remembering and passing confidently. Now, that's why the live classes on Ambrish, it's a live class. You can actually sit and ask questions if you don't understand something. And we are the only one you guide you, hold you by the hand, guide you step by step to every threshold that is there on your way to obtain the license. The theory is the biggest part, which is the problem. Now, we are the only one who actually gives you the confidence that you lack probably, because we are confident. Since 10 years, I've helped thousands of students of 50 nationalities to pass their exams very successfully. People who could understand Italian, some who couldn't understand, some people who have never gone to school in their own countries, but they have passed. It's a question of a technique and a method. And people who follow it, no matter which background you come from, very educated or totally illiterate, you're guaranteed to pass because we don't allow you to fail. That option doesn't exist. So either you study or you continue studying till you get your license. Now, in our classes, what is different than the rest of the people is that your progress is constantly monitored. And we will tell you when to take the date. We'll guide you how to do the taking the date process. And a day before the exam, you're totally mentally prepared, not only with the quiz that is going to come, but also the state of mind you need to go to sleep in. And in the morning at 6 o'clock of your exam, you and I will have one-to-one quiz lesson so that I'll tell you what questions to expect, how to sit, how to breathe, how to answer. This is the reason why everybody in Ambrish Quick Patente leaves only with the license in their pocket. If it is not convincing enough, give it a try. Give it a 3 days of free trial classes. You'll realize all that I'm saying is true and more than that, okay? So you got nothing to lose. You can just give it a try and obviously you'll get out with the license. I know you will. Have a nice day.